It's another Fat Guy review. Nick here, and I'm opening Menlo Club. They used to be 5.4, and now every month they do a different kind of theme. They've done New Republic theme where they give you new shoes, and now it's Grand AC, which is their workout gear. So this should be fun. I mean, the clothes will probably fit. They're just probably never going to be used for actually working out. But sitting around the house clothes, these might be good. By the way, if you use my code, you can save half off your first box. The difference between these and all the other ones, 60 bucks, you keep everything. That's it. So if you go and use my link, you get me 30 bucks off a box and you get 30 bucks off the first box. And they send you, and they've even outlined the kinds of boxes you're gonna be getting for the rest of the year. So if you like working out, this is the active stuff, Grand AC. Let's open it up, see if it fits. So the first thing they sent were some workout shorts. Ooh! They're like just sweat shorts, which I feel like I haven't had since I used to have sweats, and I would cut them. And then I have sweat shorts. But these are like custom made sweat shorts. This is gonna be perfect for sitting around the house. A shirt that matches the shorts, although the outfit together would, this is a lot of green. And it's not like the pretty green where you're like, ooh, that's pretty. It's like an olive green that no one's like, ooh, it's green. But it's got like some sort of absorbing innards, I guess, for when you sweat. I don't know. I don't sweat much on the couch, so we'll see how it works. I probably won't wear this with the sweats. I do have something else that goes with the sweats, though. It's a black shirt. Now this would look better with the sweats. And these are all like super comfortable. I think they're probably mostly cotton. All the shirts that I've gotten from them have been super comfortable and fit really nice. This is another Grand AC one, so it's a workout one, so it'll absorb the sweat. I don't know, I wouldn't quote me on that, I'm just making stuff up. But it looks like it would be pretty, it looks like a towel kind of like material, so let's just assume that's for sweat. All right, let's get comfortable. I mean, let's get ready to work out. Here's the green outfit, the army workout outfit. Of course it's comfortable. The shirt's a little snug. I'm kind of sucking it in, but the shorts are like super comfortable. These are really nice. And the pockets, they have like the top in pocket, so it's not like you have to go to the side. You ever do that? I hate that. Let's try the black shirt. The black fits much better. I feel like it's just a little less snug, but not too much, but it feels like the same shirt. It looks like the same shirt, so I don't know why this one would fit better. And it looks better with the olive shorts. So this is my official workout outfit. So that's Menlo Club this month. 2 to 4 pieces every month, 60 bucks. Use my code, save off half off your first box, and you save me 30 bucks off my next box. I'd appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Check out all my other videos. Like, subscribe. And everyone says hit the bell for the notifications. Don't hit the bell. We're gonna be different. Who needs that bell?